So, in this video, I will discuss an example which will be a string and we would take a parameter in it and convert it into a number, an integer, and then we will take the example in the wrong way. We will write a little bit of the syntax wrong and then we will see what will be the error and how we will dissolve it. So, firstly let's solve the example. So I have a string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to convert it to integer. Here I have integer in data. There is a function named parseInt which changes string into integer. So I have written parseInt here and I have added data to it. This one which is on the top, this is converting string to data, and here I have consoled it and given it dot type. So I will refresh it here. Here we will look at it in console. In console I have a number here. Number, its data type, and then our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which has been printed here. So now let's get to this. Let's look here. If I don't add the data type parameter, so look, it has a red symbol, and if I hover above it, it will tell me that it is expected, so I will add the bracket here. Okay, and if I am writing parse here, parse is not a built-in function, nor does JavaScript know what it is. Let's save it. So here I am not getting an error, but my output is gone. I will look at it here. When I open developers tool, I have an error option. An error is in console, so it is telling me that parse is not defined. Add let's do it. Let's do it is my function. It is saying that parse is not defined. Now we will not panic after seeing this that I have an error. So I will quit the code. We will do no such thing. We will see what the error actually is. So we go here and it says that it is a test.js file and the error is occurring in its line 5. So we will go here. I have a file of tests.js, line number 5. Now see, Visual Studio Code is not telling me that there is an error. So we must know the syntax ourselves. We will turn this into integer and then solve it again. I have refreshed it from here and I will read it again after I inspect it. It is in console, an error, no error. Okay, so this is message of console. So this was a simple example of how to solve an error if it occurs by using developers tool. If it is telling me itself that this is the error line. So if we don't understand it, we will search error, and then after searching we will understand what the error actually is.